Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. So I'm not sure if I ended the vlog last night. Parang hindi yata. Nakatulog na lang ako. So today, someone is going to clean up my condo, and super exciting kasi I've never tried out cleaning services before. You're gonna learn more about this cleaning service in a bit because pati si Kane kasi pupunta eh. So excited! I actually wasn't sure if I should keep my place magulo. Kasi itong place ito medyo maayos, diba? Inayos ko yung tama. But sa makeup room ko, medyo magulo. Look at that. And then sa living room, ayan. Pero ang lahat ng kalat ko talaga is nakatago dito sa aking bodega, girl. I'm heating up water. We're gonna have some turmeric tea. Turmeric, whatever tea. Like that. So I've been drinking lemon water all day kahapon. Yan. I'm still a bit congested talaga, as you can notice from my voice naman. So I'm so happy. Look at this. It's growing. Oh my gosh. Lumalaki yung ano ko, succulent. I watered this last night. Tapos ganyan siya pagising ko. We have to put it over here para sa may sunlight. There. Woo. They're here. Hi. Sila Kane. Hi, Kane.
Hi. We're using the rainbow vacuum.
Ooh.
So it's using water to trap the dirt. Yeah. So now we're starting with clean water. So later on you'll see how dirty
clean water, mamaya dirty na. Okay, first time ko marinig yun. We're gonna start sa bedroom, tapos I told them not to touch this room. This room, kasi lahat ng bodega, as in lahat ng mga press kits and all of that. Ayusin ko pa yun tomorrow, so cool! So, pati yung mga bed bugs ba yun na ano yan? Mites? Okay. Wow.
Ito talaga yung kinukuha niya yung bed mites.
Aha.
Bed mites, wash and dust.
Yeah. Pero gumagalaw.
Ang gawa ba yan? Doon sa water, yung mga bubbles, which sabihin mo hihinga sila. Sabihin buhay talaga sila.
Seryoso?
Pag buhay sila, nag-multiply sila. Yeah,
so kahit ano yan kahit bago girls or guys, yeah. Oh my gosh, so cool! This is Kane and Kyle. Hi! Can you tell us more about the services you offer?
So yung basically cleaning service, we have two services. The one is the deep cleaning. That's with yung air purification. And at the same time, we have vacuums for that one. And we use the Hive system. Yung cleaning system namin. And with that one, that's about 1,690 there. Pero that's full extensive na yung ceiling, yung walls. And at the same time, may mga two cleaners na rin kami for that one. And we have yung simple cleaning, which is yung, it's about 499 to 690. Yun naman is yung mga gamit lang yung walis.
Okay.
That's the very simple cleaning that.
So no vacuum?
Yeah, no vacuum.
Okay.
Very fast traffic. That's what.
So both gano'ng katagal siya usually?
For the deep cleaning, of course, that would take time. Mga 2 to 3 hours.
Okay.
Pero for the quick cleaning, that's about 1 hour lang.
Next, this is Alex from the cleaning service. So ano next na, Alex?
We're going to clean the pillows. And also yung comforter.
Yeah.
So gagawin nila is we're using the airbag. So bali hihigupin yung hangin dun sa parang i-air dry niya yung kanyang pillows. So hihigupin niya. Tapos mamaya lalagyan natin siya ng scent para mapanguyin.
Ay wow, may scent pa talaga.
So para makita how it's done.
Ay, ang galing!
Oo, ganyan. So
bed mites. Bug mites. Wow, bug mites. Wow.
Ang ilalagay namin sa apple. Mayroon sa apple.
Ano pang ibang meron?
Yung medyo amoy bagyo.
Amoy banyo?
Bagyo.
Bagyo, sige yun na lang. Para kumain na sa Bagyo tayo. ito yung setup ko ngayon, guys. Hindi na ako naka-makeup. Mga ano ako nagising eh. Anong oras na ba? 10?
Oo, kasi magsasanitize kami ng air. So, gagawin namin, papalitan namin yung dirty water na, as you can see. Tapos lalagyan siya namin ng ethylene glycol. So, yun usually ginagamit sa mga hospitals to purify yung mga hindi nakikita ka pala ng bacteria, viruses. So, yun. Tapos lalagyan na lang namin ng yung pine scent ulit para hindi siya matamos.
May hospital. Oh, I love it. Yan yun, no? Yung green?
The green. So, what the coffee show is sila.
Ang bango! May hospital! I love it! So, ayan. Mawawala din yung mga virus and all of that. Oh, cool! Ay, nako, super linis, promise. I love it. And yung amoy niya malinis talaga. So, that's so perfect. So, if ever you're interested in booking them, I'll have all the links down in the information box. I highly recommend it. Super bongga. Ang favorite part yung sanitation. Bye!
Bye!
Thank you! Guys, sobrang linis. I love it. Look at that! Diba? Oh, na-install na yung aircon. So, buti na lang sumabay si Kuya dun sa mga kilakain para may kasama ako. So, okay, ano lang yung makalat. So, I'm so happy! First time ko magmalinis. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Having dinner at Teriyaki Boy with
Loyal viewer.
si Jam sister ni Andy and Kimmy.
Hello, bye!
We're gonna watch ballet show mamaya. Ano yun? Ballet Manila, no? Cinderella. In-orderan ako ni Kim. Mommy. Kim, how much? We're now here at LU Theater, guys. Yay! Glass slipper. Ay, anong glass slipper? Look at that. So cute. Cool, no? Ayan, tapos may clock pa and all of that. So, yan. Kasama ko sila Kim there. Bali si Andy. Ayan, so OOTD for today. Super simple lang. Actually, tumawid lang kami from, ayan. Oh, my wedges are from Muy Bien Bonita. Cute ba? Love it! Yellow. We're not seated. Tabi kami ah. Stop.
Watching ballet. Yellow. Hi viewers. Wow. Lagi na lang. Maganda yung lipstick ni Kim.
Yeah, ang yan, girl.
Look at that. Burgundy blush. Maybelline.
Yes. Maybe it's Maybelline. the show.
Love it. Favorite ko si Cinderella. Favorite princess ko.
Love it. Ang saya. As in, super ganda, girl. Funniest part yung natakpan yung mukha ng princess. Natakpan yung mukha. Pero okay lang yun, diba? We're waiting for our Ubers. Ang cute ng mga daga.
Oo, ang cute ng daga.
Lalo na yung umiigot kami degulong na daga. Ayan, ano shoes mo saan galing? Ako, muy bien bonita.
Payless.
Oh, your dress ang galing, girl.
Forever 21.
Ganda. Malikod ka, girl. Malikod ka. Diba? Ang ganda. Pak. Anyway, I'm ending the vlog here. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!